6-bomb plow still. Doing spring tillage. Don't mind the corn. I probably a pain to take all the corn out, but we got Steiger on the cultivator, 50-20 on the plow, 1206 on the plow, and then the 48, 4955, I think. Anyway, that's that part. And then I got this, kind of like a early Easter present. It's a 1/64 scale shop that I got from Etsy. It was like $90. All the doors open. Too. Yeah, and we got our stuff, our spring stuff in there, and our drain set up. And then I put this cold storage right here. Just kidding. Same stuff in there. Had some more planters. But yeah, some new changes on the display. I also got that loader. And I wanted to know if you guys want these custom tractors. If you want that custom tractor and this custom tractor on that display. Let me know in the comments. All I have for you. I'll catch you later. This is Hayden 50-20.